Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account using a credit card. So basically you just have to open Revolut, and on the home page you have to click on the add money icon, which is going to be the first one on the left. Then you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to transfer. You can add any amount. Then you have to tap on this button to select the transfer method. And as you can see, the second one is going to be the debit or credit card. It is under the same menu, but you can also use easy bank transfer, regular bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Then if you select the card payment method, this menu is going to appear where you can either type in your data, your card number, your expiry date and CVV code, or you can also use the camera to scan your card, and it is going to add the data automatically onto your menu. And then you just have to tap on continue, authorize the payment, and the money is going to be added to your account. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.